wiggles.
It's Mr. Long Black's watching this. Oh, Milo's here! Yay, Milo's here!
He's a bit cranky.
Michael's going to be cranky in a minute anyway. Hi, Milo. Hello, Milo. Say alright, Mike. Say hi, Milo.
Hi.
Wave in. You blown kiss to Milo? Smiling at Milo? Yeah. Are you two boys smiling at each other? What are you saying? You're going to vlog for the camera? Do some vlogging. You were very vocal the other day. And everyone, I'm Simon, this is Michael. Say hello, Michael. I'm Michael Yepp's Latte Dad. Today we are joined by Mr. Long Black,
Hello.
Chris Cohen,
Hi.
fellow Latte Dad, stay at home dad, work from home dad, whatever you want to call it, and his little boy Milo. Milo!
Little man.
Milo! So there was a ramp up to a set of stairs. Very helpful when you have a pram. So today we're off to Decathlon, which is a massive sports centre. All sorts of sports equipment and apparel. But our main aim is to get a bike seat so I can start taking little Mike out on bike rides. Chris already has one, so he's somewhat of an expert, I think. And we can then link up with Milo and Chris to do some bike rides. So is this the one you went to before?
No,
So
one we
yeah.
went to was huge compared to this. There's bike stuff.
Alright, look at this. They've got camping gear. They've got, I don't even know what that is, skiing gear, shoes, trainers, all sorts.
It's out of stock as well.
Yeah, because right now, because of the current lockdown in Malaysia, our stocks is still in Malaysia. So it will come once in a while by boat. So
Right,
we
right.
can't really.
So you have no idea when it's coming.
Yeah. So it's like a surprise whenever.
Do you have any in stock now to have a look at? Or is actually none here?
Actually, not here.
So everything's out of stock because of the coronavirus. Kind of a wasted journey now. You also sold the display pieces, huh? Really? Well. So you haven't had any stock for a long time?
Yes.
Okay. Oh dear. That was a very unsuccessful journey. What do you think, Michael? Should we buy you a helmet? You want to get a bike, Michael? You're only 13 months old, but you think you can handle it? How'd you feel about that trip, Chris?
Pretty disappointing. Huge shop, no stock.
What
No
are we-
shoppers either.
Yeah. What are we going to do now?
Beer.
Beer. Beer o'clock. Might mix up some tunes. Michael, can you get down? Michael, you're gonna fall off there. With a squishy face.
and this is Milo. Milo's a year old, so he's a month younger than Michael. We were looking for a new bike seat for this little man to take on the back of our bikes.
Milo is Michael's best friend. Not that they know it yet. But yeah, so you've just got a bike seat, right? So
yeah,
any tips?
We did quite a lot of research, and what we wanted was one that it was quite important for us, was quite lightweight, would hold him for a number of years, and we like the idea of being able to change it from one bike to another. So for my partner Megan and I to both be able to take him out for rides. So that's why we settled on the Yepp Maxi, which actually attaches to a rack at the back of the bike, and it means that you can just clip and unclip it and switch it very, very easily, so that mum and dad can both take him out on little cycles.
Oh, so I see. So you need to get the rack fitted, right? Because
So the rack is sold separately,
right.
And there's different limitations based on which country you buy it in. So if you're in the US, the weight limit actually has to be a bit higher than Europe and Asia.
Because they got bigger babies.
It was something they warned us about, that you couldn't buy this thing in the States anymore, because it didn't have the maximum weight specification. But for this little one, as long as he's not too big, should be fine for a number of years.
But what is the max weight?
So I think it's 24 kilos.
Yeah, which is about 50 pounds.
26 kilos in the States.
Right, okay. Yeah, so the ones I've seen people riding around on, it's like almost like a full armchair, where it's got a big back, and they're quite well supported.
Yeah.
I didn't realise it attaches to a rack. I thought it just attached to the bolts on there.
So you can get ones that bolt onto the seat. A big thing that I'd watch out for is the length of the frame bit under the saddle, because that's where these things bolt onto. So my partner's bike simply isn't big enough, so we had to go down that rack option, which is why we ended up with the one we did.
And what you got it from Trekology, right?
We did. I mean, that's where we got our bikes from, so we're very on brand. It is a bit more expensive.
Not sponsored.
It is a bit more expensive than going to Decathlon. It's probably a very similar product. For us though, one of the key things was they fit the rack for us. So being in Singapore, lots of people don't have a sort of garage full of tools and equipment. So having someone there that would just fit it while you wait made a big difference for us.
Yeah, so I think we're going to try that option tomorrow. I'll meet up with Chris, go on a little cycle. We'll head over to Trekology. Hopefully they've still got some stock. And then I think I'll just get it fitted there and then, if the same one. Then the plan is we'll be able to go on bike rides and take these little guys out, Mount Sentosa, early morning 5 a.m. bike rides. Watch the sunrise together. It's nice and romantic.
Just what best friends do.
Yeah. Aww. But yeah, thanks for taking us on that little pointless excursion, but appreciate it though.
Anytime.
Same again tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
See
Say
ya.
goodbye, Milo. Bye-bye.